So guys, good morning. I expounded here a little bit because it's becoming too tight. Gradually I'll still keep on expounding it, and this is the second week. Yes, second week. It's not possible you won't tell me that they're not looking more than second week birds. They're looking almost close to 3 weeks, right? So currently now I want to change their beddings this morning because I'm going to be giving them second vaccine this same week. But for now I need to clean hair. I clean hair every day, every single blessed day. I do clean hair. Currently this feeder is not even enough because they are getting big. They are really getting big, so it's not enough. With time I'm going to use this other feeder here, but for now we're still using this one. Whenever I come inside this farm, there's this joy I see whenever they are flying up and down like this. They're always ready to just fly around. The ones that want to eat are eating, the ones that want